Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to make money from 99 Designs for beginners. 99 Designs is a platform where businesses can connect with freelance designers to create logos, websites, and other branding materials. The website has a large community of designers from all over the world. 99 Designs offers a variety of services, including logo design, website design, branding, and packaging design. Let's go on 99 Design website and see the first user interface. We can see top side of screen feature of this design site. Categories. Find the perfect designer for your project, from logos to websites to packaging. How it works. Learn about the design contest process and start your own today. Designer. Browse our directory of talented designers and hire the perfect one for your needs. Inspiration. Get inspired by beautiful designs from all over the world. Studio. Manage your projects and collaborate with designers all in one place. 99 Designs is popular for logo design, website design, and branding, providing a wide range of creative options at affordable prices. Let's go create a design. We log in first. Click on Login button appearance on top right corner. Click on Login button. Now we are on login page. If you don't have a 99 Design account, so create a 99 Designs account. You can also sign up with Gmail, Facebook, an Apple account, or create an account with email. For create an account with email, click on Create an Account button. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your first name, last name, email address, and password. Click on. Now we are on Role Creation Selection page. Select the desired option and click on Continue button. So we are done. Now start creating profile. First step, the essentials. Enter some basic information about you, such as your name, avatar, time zone, and the languages you speak. Second step, your creative journey. We'd like to learn more about your background, collect your social media links, and current address. Third step, our code of conduct. This defines our site policies and helps guide your participation in our community. Fourth step, showcase your work. Add your best work. Upload 6 to 12 pieces of work that best represent your skills and expertise. The work added here will be private to your application and subject to our policy regarding work done outside 99 Designs. It's your time to shine. Show us your best work and areas of expertise. Last step, review your steps. Take a final look at the information you shared. A member of our designer curation team will evaluate this application based on a strict set of quality standards, so make sure you've put your best foot forward. After complete the profile, when you log into 99 Designs, you'll be taken to your intro dashboard. This dashboard gives you a quick overview of your work, contests. Great way to get noticed, experiment with new ideas. Time-consuming, competitive, difficult to stand out. Projects. More lucrative. More rewarding, more control. More stressful, difficult to find and secure. Browse contests, find new opportunities, learn about trends. No guarantee of a good fit, overwhelming to browse. Browse projects. Find new opportunities, learn about trends. No guarantee of a good fit, time-consuming to browse. You clients, businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprises, across various industries. Community. Forum. A vibrant online community for designers, clients, and creative professionals. Divided into subforums for design discussions, client feedback, help and support, and off-topic chats. Discover, a great place to find inspiration and learn about new design trends. Includes articles, tutorials, case studies, and a gallery of winning designs. Recent Winners showcases the work of recent contest and project winners. Provides insights into the design briefs and challenges behind the winning designs. Tips for success. Here are a few tips for success when making money from 99 Designs. Create a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is your calling card, so make sure that it showcases your best work. Enter contests. Contests are a great way to get your work seen by a lot of potential clients. Be responsive and professional. When you are working with clients, be sure to communicate regularly and deliver high-quality work. Build relationships with clients. Once you have worked with a client, try to build a relationship with them so that you can work with them again in the future. Conclusion: 99 Designs is a great platform for designers to make money. By following the tips above, you can increase your chances of success. Pricing. Fixed pricing with contest packages. Receive lots of creative concepts from multiple designers worldwide. You can read more about how it works. We have 4 fixed packages to suit your budget. Prices exclude sales tax. First package. Bronze. Price $299. Second package. Silver. Price $499. Third package. Gold. Price $899. Fourth package. Platinum. Price $1,299. Conclusion: 99 Designs connects designers and clients for seamless and efficient creative design collaborations. It caters to businesses of all sizes, from startups seeking affordable branding solutions to established enterprises aiming to streamline their design workflow. Designers benefit from a global marketplace to showcase their talent, connect with diverse clients, and choose between contest-based or project-based opportunities. Valuable resources like tutorials, workshops, and a supportive community help designers continuously enhance their skills and achieve professional goals. Clients can easily find and collaborate with talented designers matching their specific style and expertise. The platform's intuitive interface, comprehensive search filters, and a vast gallery of winning designs simplify the process and provide inspiration. That's just a short overview of how to earn money from 99 Designs. For more information, please visit the 99 Designs website or check out their help center. Thanks for watching.